Hello, everyone. Hello, YouTubers. It's Anonymous T. Hope you're having an amazing day today. Today, we are discussing an ill-advised Instagram live that Tasha K did, and it was a hot mess, as to be expected. Jason was on there, as well as Chelsea. Chelsea, of course, is being inappropriate, unprofessional, just saying all of this nonsense, and, saying that people on YouTube are saying she's going to jail for 100 years, and her and Jason, they're pretending like, that nothing's going to happen to Tasha K, that everything's back to normal, that they're bored on YouTube, which is a lie. YouTube has been popping. Like, all of the black content creators these past couple of weeks have been on their A game, so it has not been boring. And they're up here talking about that they miss Tasha K's style of reporting and her fact checking and getting receipts. And Chelsea said, I can't wait for you to get back to recording people again. And I'm just like, what is going on? Who advised this? It wasn't until well after an hour that Tasha K's husband finally came up, and he had said that her attorneys, I guess, were at the hotel, and she was trying to figure out if she needed to go to the hotel or not. And then he left, but then she got off live shortly after. So I don't know if she's going back to the hotel to meet with her attorneys as well, or if the attorneys just briefed her husband on, what they were discussing, but she shouldn't have gotten on live. And then she's taunting using Cardi B lyrics and kept saying, if it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's stuck. Kept putting her face to the camera, trying to allege that she had some type of bump or something on around her mouth or around her lips, basically trying to infer the same things that she's accused Cardi of having on her face. And it's why are we making a mockery of this? And why is Chelsea talking about recording people and Tasha K was just on the scan discussing, the call with Lovely T? It's the lack of self-awareness and the audacity for me. What is going on? Why are you taunting Cardi B the night before jury deliberation and closing arguments? What in the heck is happening? And then Chelsea's up here talking about how she's taking names of people's YouTubes and trying to report and get people's channels strike and taken down. And it's your boss is the news. So we are reporting on the news just like we would report on anything else. Is nothing biased or people being haters. People are reporting facts of what's happening. They tried to come for Mr. Dennis Byron and tried to come for his microphone and tried to allege that he was saying all this stuff, and they couldn't even get the story together that was correct. It was just a hot mess. It was all a hot mess, and you can tell they're bothered. Tasha K looks stressed. She looks stressed. She looks sad. Look at my thumbnail. You can see it for what it is. But Tasha K acts like there's nothing happening this week. She has nothing to do this week. She said she doesn't care what people tell her. She's going to still go to work this week and do all this other stuff. And they're up here already talking about some celebration party that Chelsea's planning. And disinviting, I guess, allegedly, some alleged YouTubers or whatever. But again, it's why are you doing this? I literally did a video Sunday morning saying, Tasha K, stay off the internet. And then Tasha K's on the live claiming that she has not been on the internet. She hasn't seen anything. And she was just on YouTube with Storm for that drama. And then she said that she had to get on that platform to do that fallout with Storm so that it can show that Storm is not affiliated with Kibi Studios and he can have his own platform. And I said, what? If he doesn't work for you, he doesn't work for you. What are you doing? What are you talking about? It was just too much. And I'm like, Tasha K, you're online every day. What are you talking about? You've been on a break from social media. You're tweeting every day. You've been on Instagram every day. What are you talking about? You've been on YouTube. You know what they're saying on YouTube because you guys change up accordingly. So it's just a hot mess. I don't understand, what the thought process is, why nobody in Tasha K's camp is taking this federal lawsuit serious. Why they're treating this like a joke. Why are you making jokes about Cardi B and mocking her up lyrics and mocking the herpes and cold sore rumors that you are the ones that put out there. Like, why are you doing that? I just don't understand. Let me know your guys' thoughts, because I was just completely disgusted. And it's like, it's just the lack of self-awareness and the audacity for me. Like, you have to get up at 5 a.m. You have all of these, your defense team needs to prepare closing arguments, and you're sitting on live taunting people, taunting the person that's suing you as if it's not going to get back to them. Like, make it make sense. And then you're up here trying to act ignorant, like you didn't know that there was a Treasury agent in the courtroom. And she was like, oh, what? Oh, I'm going to go to jail for tax evasion? Or, oh. Like, she's doing so much right now. Oh, I have to put money in my husband's account. Oh, like, it's so much trolling right now. I just can't. So, more to come on that. Hopefully, Tasha K does not do any more lies before the verdict. And Chelsea kept talking about that they're probably going to get an email and get in trouble for the things they said. Because, again, she's completely unprofessional. And it's a hot mess. It is truly a hot mess. And ill-advised and awful decision to do that. Awful to keep mocking Cardi B lyrics and putting your face up to the camera, trying to allege that you have a bump or you have a cold sore or whatever around your lip, around your mouth, trying to mock Cardi B and doing all this stuff. And it's like, you're literally treating this live to mock everything that Cardi B is suing you for, that you were mocking her for, until your husband made you get off live. So it's just really disgusting. I'm just so disgusted, but this is just disgusting. So let me know your guys' thoughts. I'm sure somebody screen recorded the live. If I find it, I'll definitely put a link to it in this description box, but I didn't bother to screen record it because I was just so disgusted at the display I was seeing. So, but yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. Those of you, if it's your first time viewing my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for the continued support to my followers and everyone else that has been commenting, engaging, and everything else on the channel. I am grateful. I'm appreciative of each and every single one of you. I have a playlist specific for the Cardi B defamation case, as well as the off the court shenanigans that's going on in relation to the case. And I'm still going to have out my breakdown of Mr. Dennis Byron's trial date 8 stuff. Look for that to be tomorrow. I actually was just about to upload everything. And then this Instagram live, this hot mess of an Instagram live just happened. And I had to discuss it. I had to just take a few moments to discuss it because it was just horrifying. But please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified the moment I post new content on my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to you guys again soon. Have an amazing rest of your day.